Go ahead. All right. How are you guys doing? This is free midweek. Gonna review some of our free members' trades, how they did, maybe help them out. All right, and then we're gonna move on to the VIP to have the VIP daily review, normal daily review. So yeah, any one of the free members wanna get up when I review their trades? Have any questions? Have anything to cover? Can I? Sure, my friend. Go ahead. Request in.
Yo,
Yo,
what's good, boys?
what's good, bro?
How you guys doing?
Good, bro.
Chilling, bro.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I just wanted to go over a couple of, well, two trades in specific. I know you guys probably ate today with this predictable sell-off, but um, I guess going over two of the main trades. Should I just start and then you guys will?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah,
All
bro, I
right.
got you.
Go ahead.
Starting on the hourly, we obviously had over a 300-point sell-off going into New York. And there were no like higher time frame key levels above the 1 hour that I think we'd probably retrace into because that's just it was in a rush in
Mm-hmm.
essentially. So I didn't think price would hit any of those 1 hour for value gaps. So zooming into the 15-minute, I noticed that we formed a breaker and tapped it at 7 a.m., pushing price lower, and we formed a for value gap as well, pushing price even lower at around 8:45, 9, 8:30 maybe. Um, but going into market open, we formed a 5 minute for value gap that I wanted to look for continuations from. So, zooming in to the 1 minute, there was an internal high that was created, and then with that displacement move up, we had a soup of that internal high at. Well, let me pull up my chart. 35 and 36. Yep, that one. So with the soup of that high and then the immediate rejection at 36, I noticed that there was a breaker at 34. That was a potential breaker anticipating. So I souped that high, um, stop at the high and targeting Wednesday low a day for one con and then letting the other continue because I knew distribution was still going to start and we
Mm-hmm.
were likely still going to keep pushing down. So that was the first trade.
Oh, nice. So you just took this one right here? In this? Yeah, I like this one, bro.
Yep.
The whole framework behind it. Seeing this rebalance here, right? After
Yep.
after the specific time of 8 a.m. This is an
Mm-hmm.
important time to look for something like this, which would be I don't want to say too much, but it's more of a nice area to look for something like this, right? At this time,
Yeah.
which you recognize, right? Which is
Mm-hmm.
important why this didn't get taken because of the time that this happened at, right? And then your 9:30 retracement. Yeah, I liked it, bro. How you look for a low time from high inside of a high time from key level? 5 minute?
Yep.
Yeah, I liked it, bro.
Nah, yeah,
So
that's
then,
valid, bro. Just look in the rebalance at that and then dropping down. Just the time wise will help you out, bro. That's a good trade. Just going with the
yeah,
trend. Yeah.
one of the main things that has been fucking me recently was not on days like this, but previous days. Whenever I'd enter trades before 9:30, I have been starting to focus my mind around anticipating breaker formations instead of looking for just turtle soups because
Mm-hmm.
turtle soups without narrative is fucking pointless.
Yep.
So looking for that inside the higher time from key levels, obviously following daily narrative and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Um, just building on my model personally, and this has really started helping me.
No, I like that, bro. How you
Um,
said you're looking for a breaker formation, right? Like
yep.
you want to see a sell side taken, and then you want to see your buy side taken, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then that'll definitely, yeah. Because if you want to think about it like this, because I mean, I'm glad you're doing it, but for other people here, um, when he's talking about the breaker formation, what that does is, let's say this was a bigger stop run down here and this low. Let's say we'll go up, down, then up, then we come down, right? And then this would be the soup. What this move does here is make everyone think we're gonna go short, right? As a breakout, stops the breakout traders. Now we're going up. Market structure shift stops the ICT traders when it comes back down, right? So this whole breaker formation is very important when you're thinking of souping, right? Which is why Lerms caught this move today, right? But understanding the narrative behind this breaker here is to kill both sides, and then where we really enter is because order flow is bearish, right? So that's when we'll look for the reject highs, right? My bad, Lerms. It was just a little narrative I wanted to add in there.
No, you good. And then after that, there was another. I'm sure you guys will probably go over this too. There was a continuation trade that I just wanted to mention, just for you guys' input. 10 a.m. open, displacement lower on the 15-minute formed a 15-minute FVG, and since we were now in that 4-hour candle, expecting that to still distribute to even lower. We same concept. There was buy side on the 1 minute, resting inside of the 15.
Yep.
And I was looking for that high to get souped, which we ended up did souping. I looked at the one that works too, but the one further to the left at 05.
Yeah, you looked at this one here. Yeah, I like this one. I like both
Yeah.
here.
So I looked at the 05 soup and then pretty much the same thing. Higher time from key level, lower time from turtle soup. We souped it, rejected it on the. We took it at 10:45, 46 rejected it. Saw the rejection, saw the breaker below it, anticipating the breaker, sold, and then
Same thing again, bro. High time from
yeah.
key level, low time from soup. The reason I marked
Yeah.
this candle out is because if this is for studying for some people, uh, the candle that can stab the key level, right? This can be a good candle to notice once we break down through it, right? And then this can be your order block, right? Your high probable OB. That's the reason I marked it, right? But yeah, your breaker here, or which is the one you use, and then low time from soup. Yeah, I liked it, bro.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's just when I
trending.
back tested as well, and it's going in the journal. So
Yeah,
just
that's in trending markets. You can have an arsenal, right?
yeah.
In trending markets, you can use FEGs, order blocks, OTE for all continuation, right? And which is what you did. Those are good, bro.
Yeah, it was a good day.
Yeah, no, I like those, bro. Clean setups. Yeah, that was it or what?
You
I
got any
like those,
questions,
bro.
Lorms?
Seem like you're doing good,
With
bro.
a day like this, obviously I was had on starting on like Monday. I anticipated Monday being high of week with the higher highs on ES and lower highs on NQ, and especially the soup in at equilibrium at OT on, or not OT, at equilibrium on Tuesday for the initial sell-off. So for something like the rest of the week, since we obviously still have unemployment claims tomorrow, obviously we have that weekly or that previous week low or CRT low. I don't personally use CRT, but we do have that CRT low. That I could see hitting tomorrow or the next day. But if not, it's either going to be what I personally think is either a protraction tomorrow back into the range and then a Friday continuation, or vice versa. Thursday continuation, Friday protraction.
Yeah, we do a lot of weekly profiles in the court. Thursday can have a high chance to cap the week.
Yeah.
Thursday and Friday, right?
Yep.
Yeah, no, I like that idea, bro. Either we're gonna, cause 8:30 news, right? And news equals what? Manipulation.
Manipulation. Yep.
Yep. If the manipulation hasn't already happened, then it will
Yes.
be the manipulation. Right.
Yep.
Yeah, I like your idea, bro.
All right. Awesome. Love what you guys do. You guys are
Yes, sir.
fucking awesome. I'll try
Thanks,
to
bro.
hop into VIP whenever I can, but your free weeklies are just
Too
Insane
good.
value.
All right,
Way
bro.
too good.
All right, bro.
Appreciate you,
You
boys.
take care.
Yes, sir. See you,
Yes,
bro.
sir. Take care.
See ya.
And that guy's killing
All
it,
right.
bro. It's my favorite models.
Yeah. All right. Any one of the free members want to get up when I review their trades or have any questions? Bruh.
The CEO.
Work right now, so can't speak. I entered it on 11:35 based on the 15-minute range. They're an expected 11:30 to sell off, targeting the H1, the 1 hour full fill, TP fully hit, stop above 2152. Let's see it.
He said he entered on 11:35 based on the 15-minute range there, and expect 11:30 to sell off targeting. All right,
How
let's
did
see.
he enter at 11:35 and then expected 11:30 to? Wait, V, did you enter at 11:30 or 11:35? Where is it? Go to the 1 minute real quick. Let's see it. Go to 11:30.
Right here. He entered 11:35, so a little after, somewhere in here.
How did he? Oh, I think the 30. He expected the 30 minute to just spool, as far as I understand. Yeah, you could, but anything after that big sell-off, especially after running the two daily lows, is kind of iffy, right? You want to take your entry, like the last possible entry was that Lerm's entry, right? That one was like the best entry you can take, probably in New York. But taking something inside that chop or after that big expansion is kind of risky. Although we're in a sell program, but you still can scalp it, but nothing high probable in my opinion.
Yeah. No, I liked your plan here, wanting to use a 15-minute range. He had a question. He said, "What situations would you use the 15-minute range for?" I would use it in these situations when we're trending super far. Sometimes I used to do this 15 minutes, kind of, it's all right. But so let's say you get a 30-minute range, right? Let's say price sweeps this low here, comes up to this high, sweeps this high, then I can look for a soup like this going back down, right? Let's pretend this candle here is a 30-minute V, right? This is when I can use the range, or want to see something at equilibrium, right? Equilibrium of the, if you want to use candle ranges like this, right, V? But yeah, I would use it in training markets. But 15 minutes kind of all right, but 30-minute or
Yeah,
hourly ranges are better.
it would be helpful after we pop above a high.
Yeah.
But you just gotta use key levels narrative after
Yep.
behind the V.
Yep. You got it. You got it.
All right. Anyone else have any questions or or want to get up when review their trades? Any free member? I guess not. Any free member want to get up when I review their trades? One more call.
If not, it's all good. Today was pretty interesting. Hopefully we can,
Yeah,
even if it's gonna be a short one, we'll still add something. Yeah, no problem, V.
yeah. I think that was it. You want to add something on it?
Nah, just today was a day to study for the free guys. If you were kind of confused about it, hopefully you aren't though, because well, we talk about these weekly and daily profiles a lot, right? We talk about a lot inside VIP, but yeah, today would be a good day to journal it and remember it, because these kind of days will, whenever you're down on money and you're low on cash, and you think you're on a losing streak, these are the kind of days you want to anticipate to happen, so you can bring your um, so you can make your money back. Yeah, very very good. Yep,
All
and
right,
that's it, boys.
that will be it. Yeah, that will be it for the free members. Thank you guys for coming in. Thank you guys for listening. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next week. See ya, boys. All right, let's move into VIP.